Hello, Odooers. Welcome back to our channel, Devintelle. Today we will see how to update multiple products attribute via products. You can see here our module, Dev Product Mass Update. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to products, select multiple products, go to this action menu and see here this menu, Product Mass Update. Here available multiple options. I want to select product type and select service. Now apply, go to this product. So you can easily see here this product in updated in service. Next bricks in also display service. Again select multiple, go to action menu. Now I want to apply taxes 15%. Apply this. Again go to product. And you can easily see here this taxes display here 15%. So you can easily update product in attributes. Thank you.